Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about swing trading and how we're already up about $336 in a matter of one day from swing trading stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about trading, how to find stocks, our strategies, our approach, and you want to take that next step for swing trading, check out our school. You guys can get 51% off by using code Black Friday. It's awesome. It's an 8-week course where we walk you and break you down on how to become a full-time trader. So check it out down below. You won't regret it. And guys, let's jump into this here. So we did take one trade yesterday with AEM. AEM here, looking at the chart, great upward trend, sold off down to this blue line. That blue line is what we call the 90-day EMA line, also known as a moving average line. This line has tendencies of getting great support and great resistance. So, in an ideal situation, you could enter here on that 90-day moving average line, keep your stop loss just below it and let this thing ride out. But with this play, the stock continued to sell off a little bit. Now, how did we know we were going to get more sell-off? So looking at a lower time frame, like the hourly, you guys can see that it just had this downward trend. So we knew that the sellers were in control of this stock. And then we had this great breakout. We got in on that entry yesterday, and the stock has rallied its way up. Now, you guys can see in the matter of a couple of days, we're already up about 3%, which is fantastic. A lot of people think that what makes a successful trader successful is finding a stock at a penny and selling it at $100. No, a successful swing trader and trader in general, 95% of them will find a stock at $1 and try to sell it for $1.10, $1.20, but they do it consistently over the course of a year. It's a lot more achievable to do it that way, and it's easier. So looking back here, so one of the things and one of the reasons why we entered this trade here is because we had that trend going in that direction. And since we were using MOOMOO, which offers this risk management tool, and I'll put MOOMOO down below. It's the broker I use. I love them because of this, pretty much this tool and all of their software that they have. So we could enter on that 90-day moving average line on the hourly time frame, since it broke up above it, set our stops at nearby resistance, which would give a risk versus reward of 4.4. So risking $1 to make $4.40 here. And looking at our trading journal here, this is a fantastic trade. Looking at our trading dashboard here, you guys can see this past month we're already up to about $5,000 in our total P&L, only taking about four trades here, which is really good. Average time in trades is about 5 days. And looking at our weekly overview as of right here, this is I think last week here. So let's go to the previous week. So if you guys want this, trading journal, I'll put it down below for you guys. So this past week, we're only in on one trade. So we'll keep this up so it's ready to go. But you guys can see our entry price, stop loss, and then our take profit. And now make sure you guys get this trading journal because it will really help you start narrowing in on strategies that are working for your approach. And you can really focus on those. So check them out down below. And guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Really easy video, breaking down how to find stocks to trade and, how to go about your entries, your exits, your risk management approach. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.